Hello everyone, Jenny here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna close out my September budget. I'm filming this on Friday the 29th. It's currently 11:30 something, so technically we still have one day before the end of September. I'm planning tomorrow to be a no spend day. Yeah, that's the plan. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. That will really help with the YouTube algorithm. And this shit, it's not really the best because yeah, so this is the budgeted amount. So I think we're gonna do the actuals maybe right here. Yeah, I need to create a better shit because like usually you need to be like your income, your budgeted amount, and then like you do your actuals and then the difference. Oh, I'm gonna show you my old shit. Best when you're doing your budget to use something like this, like your income, you know, the budgeted amount, the actual, and then the difference. Yeah, but that will work too. We will make it work. We will just do the actuals right here because this is like for me. And well, I have this on paper. I also use a Google spreadsheet as well to do my budget. This on paper is just for the videos, but I have a Google spreadsheet. So for my job, I budget 2,590, but I end up making less because I fell. I booked my left hour, so I could not work, and I didn't have personal day. But it was like not bad. I just because like my sick days, I think I just needed like was it like 2 hours something, 3, 4, I don't know, but I end up making just a little bit less. But it's fine because my sick days, I will get them at the end of the year, like what you don't use, you get paid. It's just like $15 less, but still. My rental, what I budget is the same. My side hustle, so I was supposed to work at the convention. I could not, so I just had the 200, just make the 200 that I get. Interest, I only received so far my interest from Ally Bank. It's 20.76 cents. I will put screenshot. I haven't received from Capital One because Capital One pay you the last day of the month, so I will get it tomorrow. But I'm pretty sure I will be getting the 30 that I budgeted. YouTube FC, I did get a YouTube income. I got $112.33. If you haven't watched this video, I will put the link below. After watching this, you can watch me cast stuffing my YouTube paycheck. And I have a YouTube binder, and for this budget purpose, only 80.33 went for this, and then the rest went to my YouTube binder, so we're not gonna count this. And then the MHP, it's 123.41. So we're gonna count my actual income, 25.75 plus 1,400 plus 200 plus 30 plus 80.33 plus 123.41. It's 4,408.74. So what is the difference? So we budget 4,468.41. So it's $59 less than budgeted, which is not bad. And my expenses / my bills, those were actuals, so nothing, so they still stay the same. Next, for my food, I budget $230, but I end up only spending $220, mainly because I did not go to the office, so I did not buy lunch there. Entertainment, I did not spend anything. I didn't go anywhere. Dollar Tree, I only went once, and I spent $16.64. Personal care, I did not spend any. My allowance, I budget 20, but I spent 23.65. I bought something online. Tip, I did spend the 5. I went to the Chinese buffet with my dad and my brother. My dad paid, and I gave $5 toward the tip. Spending, I bought some stuff in Timo. I got the vacuum thing, and then the thing to do the swatch off, and something else which I don't remember. Oh, I got the t-shirt. It's not the t-shirt, I got the blouse. And I spent $28.87 and miscellaneous lift from the, when I fell I had to take a lift from the station to the urgent care. It was 11.62, and then 110 that I sent to my friend, an 80. So total 200.24.16.64, 23.65 plus 5 plus 28.87 plus 11.62 plus 110. It's 396.02. So it's actually less than what we budgeted, which is great. So great. Next we're gonna do my Quicksilver. I budget for 50, but I sent 500, so 50 more, and the 50 was like for my YouTube paycheck. My IRA, I sent 250. My HSA 50. My saving challenges, I 140 because I 30 from the YouTube went to my saving challenges. My personal sinking fund, what I budget is what I send. Same for the house. So so 50 plus 50 plus 540 plus 307.77 plus 100, it's 1,247.37. So let's see. So now I went over budget, not by much, but I did went over budget this month. Oh, and all because of I fell, so I ended up making less money. So my total income, it's 408.74 minus my bills, it's 2285.64 minus what I paid toward my Quicksilver, minus my expenses, that's like cash envelope, 996.02, minus sinking funds, like saving, 1,247.37. So I went over budget by $20.69. I hate when that happens, but I have I usually keep about like $500 in my checking account as a buffer, so that's good. So minus 20.69, I went over budget. Now we're gonna close my sinking fund because I did spend some money toward my sinking fund. Not so emergency fund, no. Oh, vacation, we spend some money. I went to Georgia. Oh my god. So we drove 16 plus hours. So the first day we stopped in Baltimore, so we left from Boston on Friday afternoon. Then we drove until Baltimore, then we get a hotel, we stay overnight, then we left around 7, and we get to Georgia, to the house by, it was like almost 6. It was long, but it was fun. I will put like a screen, small videos, and then like some pictures of, because we stopped like in Delaware, North Carolina. So yeah, and I end up only spending $123.46 on gas, because like for food, my mom bought like own food, so we had food in the car, and then when we get back, and the way back we did stop like to eat and stuff, and my mom paid. So I had 273 plus 50 minus 123.46. So now we have 199.54. Then dental again, I received a bill I haven't paid yet for 80.8. So we had 148 plus 5 minus 80.8. So now we have 72.2 in dental, and this one you will be seeing this when I'm doing my October budget, because I haven't paid yet. I will be paying it in October. Then I did not make any. Then event. Yeah, so you will see, and if you have watched my debt confession video, check it out. This is how much I owe Amazon, and I'm planning to make a payment of 65 because I did the 6 eco pay interest-free payment. So 144 plus 10 minus 65. So the balance on it will be 89. No, I think I got this one right. 144 plus 10 minus 65. Oh, no, I did not. 189. Yep, that's all I'm dead for my personal or for the house. Yeah, so I screenshot. I had to make a, because like my home insurance increased by way more than I wanted to. So my ESCO balance was starting to get low, especially in October. I will have to pay for my taxes. So I make a payment of $281 to my ESCO, and $50 has an extra payment for my mortgage. So we are rainy day fund minus 281. So 385 plus 2 minus 281. So now we're gonna have 106, and the 50 came from insurance / tax minus 50. So we had 50, 55. So now we just have 5. Yeah, that's it. That's how I close out my, and I think I need to make one of this for my YouTube, because I do have a YouTube binder, but I don't have a shit for YouTube. Maybe I need to have one. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video, which most likely be an October monthly budget. Yeah, this is how I close out my budget. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. It will be my pleasure to answer them. Bye.